Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change wallpaper in your Huawei Nova Y70. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Huawei Nova Y70 and you are looking for how to change wallpaper. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Huawei Nova Y70 settings section. After click over there, you're going to find here something say home screen and wallpaper. After click over home screen and wallpaper, you're going to find here something say wallpaper. Now you can see there is a bunch of preloaded wallpaper by Huawei Nova Y70. You can easily choose any of them. For example, I choose this, and if I click here apply, this is going to give you pop-up. Do you like to set this wallpaper in your lock screen, home screen, or both? In this video purpose, I would like to set this picture in my home screen, so I'm going to choose here home, and this picture is going to be set in my wallpaper. You can see now it's appear new wallpaper, which is really quite interesting. If you decide to set, you have a favorite picture in your gallery and you would like to set them in your wallpaper, for that you need to click again in your Huawei Nova Y70 settings section. Click here home screen wallpaper, go jump over wallpaper, and in this time we're going to click here the gallery, and it will going to be load our gallery. You can easily choose any of picture. For example, I'm going to choose this picture, so I'm going to click here apply, and then it's going to give you the pop-up. We're going to click here home screen. Now you can see it's going to be appear new wallpaper. Just now I had said that picture is appear here, which is really quite interesting. So within this simple way you can easily change wallpaper in your Huawei Nova Y70. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.